Okay, so in this video, we need a script for our video. And we're just going to stay with the example, CapCut video editing for beginners, okay? So I'm going to ask ChatGPT, can you give me a video script that would work well for this title? And then I'm going to put CapCut video editing for beginners. Please make sure that you go into great detail about how to do this successfully. Okay, now let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. This is amazing. I actually talk to ChatGPT. It's really kind of funny because I talk to ChatGPT more like a person. I know most people are saying, you have to put these detailed prompts in there, which I do put the detailed prompts in there from time to time. It depends on what I'm doing. But ChatGPT has been following my programs for so long that it knows my channels, it knows my ebooks, it knows my website, it knows everything. And so because of that, though, it has a history of everything that I've done. And so it knows how to take everything that I tell it and incorporate it into something that will work for me and my channel. So this is what it's giving me, okay? Now, if you notice, there's a lot of short sentences and bullets and different things like that. And it's not really going to read well as a script. So what I do is I take it and I copy it like this, okay? And then I'm going to hit Control-C and copy that. And then I go back to TubeMagic and I'm going to save it here. Now, you can't just copy that script into TubeMagic, but what you can do is you can come over here to Google Docs and you can paste it here, okay? So you have to right click to paste it there. So I've got it here and I'm just going to call it CapCut Video 1 or something like that, okay? Now, TubeMagic can't read a Google Doc, but I can click on File and go to Download and download it as a PDF, and it can read that. So now I'm going to come back to TubeMagic. I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to go over here to Context, and you can put a video link in there, an article link, or you can put a PDF, which is what we're going to do right here. So I'm going to click on that, go to my desktop, and I'm going to upload that PDF. You just click the little arrow here and it will pick up that PDF. So you see how it says Context 1 now? So now it has that PDF. And TubeMagic takes it way further than ChatGPT. It takes it up more to like a Claude level of copywriting, which is going to be more effective. It's just better copywriting is what the bottom line is. So I'm going to tell TubeMagic, well, first of all, I want it to be 1,500 words or more because that's what Matt recommends. He says that the longer videos are going to keep people on YouTube longer, and YouTube likes that, okay? So I want it to give me a 1,500 word article because if you look at it right now, let's just go into Word. Let me copy it into Word. Right now, it's only 1,000 words, okay? So we want it longer than that. So I'm going to tell TubeMagic, please give me an article about CapCut video editing for beginners. This is for an AI tools YouTube channel. where I want to be able to explain to them the benefits of using CapCut as a video editor. Please ask them to subscribe and check the description for a playlist to learn more about building. Wait, let me back this up. To see an actual demonstration of CapCut video editing. Okay, so there we go. Now I'm just going to click the arrow and it's going to create me a better script. Now if you notice, there are some word counts going on up here in the top right where it's going to tell you how many words we have going on so far. And this is what I mean when I say you can get paid to learn. I'm loving this, okay? I truly, just this feature alone makes this so fun for me because I'm learning so much from these scripts that I'm picking up on TubeMagic, and I'm learning about all of the topics that are interesting to me. And so that's why when you create a YouTube channel, make sure it's something that you want to learn about, and you'll be amazed at what you can learn just from this software right here. So I'm going to scroll down and copy that, okay? And then I'm going to come back to my Google Doc and I'm going to replace ChatGPT's version with this one. Okay, now you'll notice it's coming out black. Some of this software you can switch it over to the white version or the daylight version. I can't do that on my version, but I know on some of them you can. But if not, you just highlight it from the bottom up, and then you come over here and you click on text color, which is the A, change it to black, and then the background color, which is the little ink pen, and change it to white, and it will fix that. Okay, and so now I have this link, and if I want to be able to come back to this link, I want to go to share, and I want to change it from restricted to anyone with the link right there, and click on done. And now I can save this link anywhere that I want to save it if I want to come back to it. Okay, which is the way that Matt teaches. He teaches a whole entire organizational system on Trello, which is a free platform, and that's what I'm using. In fact, I'll just show you that since we're talking about it. And so let me just click on one of them. And so you'll notice that this is where I can move each video across as I'm working on it. So right now, all of my videos are pending final voiceover, which means I've recorded them, but I still need to edit the audio. And that's only because I'm recording my own voice. If I were using AI software to use an avatar voice, I wouldn't have to do this step right here, which is time consuming. But anyway, that's not the topic. So I'm not going to go over all of this with you because this is all what I had learned from Matt, but you just move it across as you go through the different steps. And you can take that link and you can keep track of it here, okay? That's the point of that. So let's go back to TubeMagic, and now we have our script. Well, let's just look at it here. Now we have our script. And so the next thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be recording that script. Either you can record it yourself, or as I've mentioned, you can have an avatar do that. So we'll talk about that in the next video, and I will see you there.